So today we are going to do an experiment of how to make slime fluffy. So first you need a slime, like if you have any hard slime you can make it like, so this is really hard. So this is really hard. So we're gonna make, okay, just leave it. Okay.
You saying something?
Okay. He's not saying anything. So this slime we have here. So we're gonna need shaving foam, any kind. It's not important. You need this company.
Shake well up before using this.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you give it to him? He'll shake it nicely. He's an
You wanna
expert.
shake it?
No, I want to put it.
You wanna put it?
Yeah.
You might put too much. Okay, you will mix it. Got it?
Yes.
Don't put too much. Okay. You just need a little. Okay, now mix it. Here you're gonna hold it with one hand and mix it with the other hand.
Hello, junior scientist. What are you doing? So in this series, they will be doing 5 experiments.
Yeah. We might do more, but later on. So first we're gonna do how to make slime fluffy that we're doing. Next video we're gonna do how to make hard Play-Doh soft. Third, how to change a white flour into a pink flour. Fourth, how powerful is heat. Fifth, is oil heavier or water? That's a tricky one. The fifth one is oil heavier or water. So, oh wait, it's fluffy. Look.
Scientist, I think you forgot to wear specs.
Oh no, wait, just once. Hey, wait, there, I can see something in there. 1 second. Oh, you mix it pretty nicely. Now we just need to let it dry and let the slime absorb the shaving cream left. And pour right here. It's softer. It's soft. It's not breaking.
Yes.
Good. So, it's pretty cool, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we'll meet you guys later next time when we make when we do how to make hard Play-Doh soft.
Okay.
So bye.
Bye.